Hello, Excellians! Here's how to create a data entry form in Excel without any user form. First, prepare a form-like area in your worksheet to input the data. Then, create a table that contains all the fields you have in the data entry section. Rename the table from the Table Design tab. Next, open the VBA window and insert a new module. After that, copy the code from the video description and paste it here. Save the file as a macro-enabled workbook and go back to the worksheet. Finally, insert a Form Control button from the Developer tab and assign the macro to it that we just created. You can rename the button or right-click on it and select Format Control to apply necessary formatting. Now fill up all fields in the data entry section and click on the Enter button. That's it. Please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.